my name is Dr. Marissa May. In this video, we're going to be using the functions f of x equals 2x minus 3 and g of x equals x squared plus 1. Let's take a look at the first row, f plus g of x. This simply means we want to add the two together. So we've got 2x minus 3 plus x squared plus 1. You can combine like terms here, and we would get x squared plus 2x minus 2. Now, if there happens to be a number in that parentheses, that just simply means we add them together and then we substitute the number in. So now we'll put 3 in place of x. So 3 to the second plus 2 times 3 minus 2. So 3 to the second is 9. 2 times 3 is 6. And if we add those together, we'll get 13. All right, let's do the same for the second row, but we have to be careful with subtraction because we have to distribute the negative. Let me show you what I mean. We'll take our f of x, since it came first, 2x minus 3 minus, and then watch my parentheses, x squared plus 1. And I do the parentheses so I distribute the negative. That gives me 2x minus 3 minus x to the second minus 1, or negative x to the second plus 2x minus 4. That distributing a negative makes a big difference. Now we'll substitute in negative 1. So I've got negative times negative 1 to the second plus 2 times negative 1 minus 4. All right. Negative 1 to the second is 1. Then we put a minus on it. So that gives me negative 1. Plus 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 minus 4, which if you add those together will give us negative 7. It's a good one. All right. F times g of x. So I'm going to put them in parentheses again. 2x minus 3 times x to the second plus 1. Now I'm going to use my FOIL method. So first times first would give me 2x to the third. Outside would give me 2x. Inside would be negative 3x to the second. And last would be negative 3. Now we'll substitute in 0. So 2 times 0 to the third plus 2 times 0 minus 3 times 0 to the second minus 3. So 0 to the third gives me 0. 2 times 0 gives me 0. 3 times 0 to the second gives me 0 minus 3. So I end up with negative 3 here. All right, one more. Let's do our division. Notice again, the order matters. So the f goes on top. 2x minus 3 divided by x to the second plus 1. And this time we're plugging in 4. So I've got 2 times 4 minus 3 divided by 4 to the second plus 1. So on top, I've got 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 3. On the bottom, 4 to the second is 16. 16 plus 1. And that one I look like I'm going to get 5 divided by 17. 5/17 is my answer there. So friends, I hope that helps. Watch out for subtraction and division. The order matters. Got to make sure you distribute the minus sign on the subtraction. Bye for now.